Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I come to you today looking like this and there's a really good reason for it. I didn't bother touching up my makeup. It is like, I don't know, what time is it now? 7:15, just got home from my second job and I got a package in the mail. Now this was another thing that I ordered from Sephora when I had my gift card that I redeemed. I didn't show it in my original video because I wanted to do a special video on it. There's a new product out and it's called the Conture 2-in-1 Kinetic Smooth Hair Remover and Skin Polisher. I have been looking for something to shave my face and take off all those baby hairs and everything, and I saw this. This is a new product. I'll show you the packaging. I saw it on Sephora. It did not have any reviews because it is brand new. Now, I thought it was very interesting. It was $50 and I figured, you know what the hey, let me try it out and see what I think. Now I'm going to be washing all of this off when we try it. But first I basically wanted to come on and I wanted to look it up. If I can ever get my glasses on with this headband, for goodness sake. Now, I looked it up online, and again, it has 0 reviews because it's brand new. It says it's limited edition online only, so that's interesting to know. Product details: what type of skin is it good for? It's good for oily, combination, dry, and sensitive. Essentially, they're saying everything, and they're saying that you can use this if you have sensitive skin. What it is: a device that helps to gently exfoliate skin for a flawless and youthful looking appearance. It removes unwanted hair from anywhere hair grows. I don't understand that statement, but that's okay. Helps to remove buildup and dead skin. So essentially you're kind of like almost dermaplaning your skin the at-home way, and it helps to your skin to appear brighter and more youthful. If you want to know more, the Conture Kinetic Smooth Hair Remover and Skin Polisher gently and painlessly removes facial hair and exfoliates to improve the surface of skin. The hair remover head utilizes the power of a dual-blade precision rotary system to provide a close, comfortable hair removal anywhere unwanted hair grows. Use the polishing head, so it has 2 heads, for a mild exfoliation to remove dead skin, giving your skin a more polished and brighter look. The set contains the hair removal device and the polishing head. What else do you need to know? The Kinetic Smooth is small enough to take with you to the gym, on vacation, or work. Imagine doing this at work. I can't. So you can always look flawless. It's easy to clean, while its ergonomic design allows for a comfortable experience. Its powerful yet quiet motor is perfect for discreet usage anytime, anywhere. Each device features a 2-blade precision rotary. It features 2-blade precision rotary blades and a 360-degree rotating polishing head. Very interesting. So that is all of the information that they give you. Now it gives you a how to read. So the first thing is gently clean the treatment area with warm water, ensuring that there is no lotion or residue on the skin prior to use, and pat the skin dry and proceed with using the device. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, well, first let's open this up here and take a look at it. Then I'm going to go wash my face and dry it. I'm not going to put anything on, and we're going to see. And I guess it comes with batteries. I hope it has the batteries. It has a little instruction booklet here. I'm going to read both this and what they say online. I'm guessing the one head is on here. And this is a polishing head. It almost looks like it's a pumice stone, which is just a little bit frightening. It is indeed a pumice stone. I'm assuming you have to be quite gentle with this, but you know what? We're going to try it and find out. Let's take a look at the little device. Okay, it's very small and sleek and contoured. It's white. It kind of looks like the Finishing Touch hair remover a little bit. It does need batteries, which I'm pretty sure I do have. Yeah, it takes 1 AA battery, which is kind of interesting. Now if you take off the head, so this looks like, honestly, it looks just like the Finishing Touch device. Okay, for $50, the Finishing Touch is $20. This is $50. It comes with the polishing head. We're going to see how this works. I'm going to go get a battery. I'm going to, hold on. There we go. I'm going to wash my face. I'm going to come back to you. I'm going to read the directions, and we're going to try this thing out. See you in a minute. Hi, everybody. I am back looking as tired as I feel, let me tell you. But I have most of my makeup off, everything on my face. The eye makeup, I'm just gonna took off what I could, and then I am just going to use my eye makeup remover when I get back to my room. But I am ready to try shaving my face. Now, I purposely have not used my finishing touch in about 2 weeks. I did do here because I can't go without doing this, but I didn't do my face, which is really what I want to do. I get all these hairs, and the makeup, like, it gets very long, and the makeup doesn't sit properly. So I have this filled with batteries, and I want you to hear it. It's really not loud, but let's see how this works here, shall we? What I should have done first is read the rest of the directions. As I said, I'm one of those non-direction readers. Hair removal. Remove the cap to ensure that the blade attachment is properly secured on the device and that it's free of damage. Turn the switch on. Great advice, let me tell you. You place the blade against your skin. Hopefully. Using small circles, remove the device across the skin to remove unwanted hair. Pretty simple, right? I don't think these directions say anything else. These directions are more for they tell you what everything is. How to switch heads, how to install the battery, get polished. These words are so tiny, I'm going to need a magnifying glass. They tell you how to clean it, etc., etc. These are not too hard to use. It's pretty simple. You can hear it like getting the hairs. When it's actually getting the hairs, you can hear it a little bit. Honestly, it feels just like my finishing touch. My skin may be just, I guess, a little tacky, but I still feel a little stubble. I thought this was going to be like a shaver, you know what I mean? Not like one of these. Okay, well, that is that. Let's see. Yeah, you can see, look, all the little hair collected in there. Now with the finishing touch, they give you like a little brush to clean it out. So that is interesting that they don't give you that for $50. Honestly, it feels just like I'm using my finishing touch. Now my face does feel smooth. It got a lot of the hair. As I said, you can hear it, but I still feel a little stubble. It's not the same as if you were using a blade by any means. I don't think it gets as close. It did a good job, but you know, let's see about changing the blade. Now, I just took that off. I want to read now about the polisher. So you're going to remove the cap and ensure the polishing attachment is properly secured on the device. Let's do that. So this comes with a cover. Okay, so you kind of put it on and then you snap it. You hear it snap, so it's secure. Okay, so this rotates. Isn't that interesting? Slide the power switch up to the on position. Gently place the polisher against the skin using small circular motions to move the device across the skin as needed. Do not place in one area for an extended amount of time. Slide the power switch to the off position, replace cap, and store in a cool, dry place. For best results, use only once a week. Now it says precautions. Do not press the device into the skin. No pressure should be used. Ensure a new battery is used and properly installed before attempting to use the device. Do not use the Kinetic Smooth on irritated, broken skin. So if you have any active acne, I would avoid those areas. Or if you have a cut or anything like that, definitely avoid. If the power feels weak, check the battery connection or replace the battery. Discontinue use is just a disclaimer. And consult your dermatologist if you feel discomfort or pain while using it. Keep batteries for children. Yeah, you don't want a kid getting a hold of this. All right. You're a little guinea pig over here going to try. Again, it's not loud. And it looks like it's on, hold, let me see something. See, the head pivots, so it's not, I think it does that to go with the contours of your face. I'm going to go very gently. Okay, wow. Upon first putting on my face, it feels very cool, like it's a stone pumice, but it feels smooth. It doesn't feel rough at all. It's kind of hard to get into the contours of the nose here. Wow. Okay, that's interesting. My skin is not getting red at all. If you see, it's not getting irritated. It really is much softer and smoother than I anticipated. I anticipated what a pumice stone would feel like if you're using it on your feet, and it doesn't feel like that at all. It's not painful whatsoever. It's actually cooling. The nose is a little difficult. Yeah, in between here, it's a little difficult. I will give it that. Even though the head pivots, it's still a little bit tough. My skin still isn't red, and I've been on that area for quite a while. Okay, one word of caution, do not get this too close to your hairline, because I just pulled out some baby hairs, because it's spinning, so it will catch the hair. Again, I'm using no pressure at all. I'm kind of just gliding it across my face with no pressure. You know, because it's so gentle, I feel like I could have gone on, like, using it. They don't give a length of time that you're supposed to use it. They just kind of say go across your face. Now, you can see I did my whole face. I'm going to be editing that, so I'll either do it, you know, in sped up motion, or I'll do some cuts. But honestly, I mean, my face feels soft, smooth, not irritated whatsoever. I haven't gotten red in the least. I think maybe my nose got a little bit red, but my nose feels really soft, I have to say. I'm tempted to continue using it, but I don't want to go overboard. You know, when you want to see immediate results, and I don't want to do that because I don't want to overdo it. I'm going to leave this like this. I'm going to go in with my regular nighttime routine. Now I want to, because I use retinols, and the retinols normally sting on a regular basis, I want to see how the retinols and my other creams apply and how my face feels. So I want to see that as well. What I plan on doing is basically using this once a week for a month to 2 months, and then I'm going to come back and give you an update. I even may do weekly updates leading up to it. I should have taken before pictures. I did not, but I want to give you a close-up so you can see my skin. That I can tell you it does feel smooth. Absolutely. I'll be very curious to see if this has any beneficial effects. Stay tuned for weekly updates, and I will continue to use this. Maybe what I'll do is I will take some selfies now of my skin so that we can see and compare if there's, if there's any difference. I said $50 is a bit of a high price tag, but again, you have to remember that finishing touch device is $20. So it's a $30 difference to get this. As far as just the shaver, I would definitely stick with the $20 finishing touch. As far as this goes, the results have yet to be seen. Upon first impression, it's good. Is it worth the $50? Time will only tell. So we'll see. But that's it, my friends. I am going to go put on my retinols and do the rest of my 20-minute nighttime routines that I normally do. I hope you found this interesting. I enjoy being your guinea pig. I just like it. I don't know why, but I do. So I want to thank you so much for joining me. Please stay tuned for the updates. If you are not subscribed, if you like this video and you like me, I would really appreciate it so very much if you would subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. It would mean the absolute world to me, and it definitely helps me out. I'm going to link this below if you want to check it out for yourself and read up more on it. Even though I read everything, that would be cool. And that's it. If you have any questions about anything, leave them in the description box, and of course, I'll be happy to answer them all. Well, everybody, have a wonderful night. I'm going to bed. I hope wherever you are, whatever part of the world you are in, on and around, you're having an amazing day. Hope you have an amazing night if it's nighttime. And I hope you have an amazing, fantastic rest of the week. Much love, my friends, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.